Welcome to today's financial update for September 2nd, 2025. We've selected key highlights from the world of business to keep you informed and ahead of the game. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines. First, according to Bloomberg, the Trump administration is contemplating a national housing emergency declaration this fall. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent mentioned this potential move as part of a strategy to resonate with voters in the upcoming midterm elections. The administration aims to address critical housing issues that have been affecting millions across the nation. Transitioning to the financial sphere, Evercore ISI analysts predict a substantial boost in U.S. stocks, driven by artificial intelligence enthusiasm. They forecast a possible 20% rise in the S&P 500 by the end of 2026, projecting it to reach 7,750 points. This optimism is notably backed by ongoing advancements and investments in AI technology, which are reshaping industries globally. In related news, Revolut has initiated a secondary share sale valuing the company at $75 billion, as reported by Bloomberg. This valuation marks a significant milestone, highlighting the growth and investor confidence in the fintech sector as they continue to innovate and expand services. Shifting focus to the tech industry, The Street reveals Amazon's strategic move in the artificial intelligence arena. Their high-stakes decision has intensified the competitive landscape as they establish a more proprietary environment for AI development. This step could potentially alter the market dynamics, adding pressure on other tech giants to innovate. Meanwhile, as per the Wall Street Journal, the Trump family has accumulated a $6 billion fortune following a successful cryptocurrency launch. This substantial wealth accumulation underscores the growing influence and profitability of cryptocurrencies within financial markets. Now, turning to cryptocurrency news. AMB Crypto discusses the ongoing battle between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum experienced a surge of nearly 19% in August, while Bitcoin faced a decline of 6.5%. Experts are closely watching to see if September will further tip the balance in Ethereum's favor, considering its current momentum. Continuing with crypto, Decrypt highlights El Salvador's strategic adjustments in its Bitcoin holdings. The nation shifted its assets to new addresses, citing security reasons. Despite these changes, El Salvador continues to increase its Bitcoin reserves, showcasing its commitment to cryptocurrency adoption. In corporate leadership, Financial Times reports that Nestlé has dismissed CEO Laurent Freixe following an internal investigation into a romantic relationship. This action reflects the company's adherence to ethical standards and maintaining corporate governance integrity. On a broader economic perspective, BBC features a warning from Christine Lagarde of the European Central Bank. She emphasized the potential dangers if the U.S. Federal Reserve's independence is undermined, asserting that such a move could pose significant threats to global financial stability. As we approach the Labor Day weekend, Mint clarifies which major retailers and institutions will remain closed. Notably, banks, post offices, and the stock market will be closed on Monday, September 1st. However, many restaurants and grocery chains will keep their doors open, offering convenience for holiday shoppers. Finally, an interesting trend in consumer habits was noted by TipRanks as retail investors poured $867 million into NVIDIA and $300 million into Palantir. This influx signifies growing investor interest in these companies amid their strategic moves and technological innovations. Thank you for joining us today for this financial update. Stay informed and ahead of the curve as the business landscape continues to evolve. We'll see you again tomorrow with more insights and updates. Have a great day.